Wherever there's weapons, there's us. We load weapons to the aircraft such as missiles, bombs, the 27mm gun, as well as chaff and flare.
We are directly involved in the operations out here in advising on the control of explosives.
It's very intricate. Taking it apart, checking each part, make sure it's serviceable. It's very fulfilling.
I got a diploma in aeronautical engineering and I got paid while I do it, which is very different from what I'd get in civilian life. I went from knowing absolutely nothing about technical trades at all to learn how to load weapons to the aircraft, as well as fuel tanks, ejection seats. Now I'm deployed in Cyprus and I'm currently working on the Typhoons.
After becoming qualified, being able to do extra training for my own personal development, such as Muay Thai, Italian language, also Python coding courses.
With my sports, I've also had my coaching licences funded by the RAF. It's enabled me to become a fully qualified coach.
Because I've joined the RAF, I've accomplished a lot. Deploying to the Falklands, coming here permanently, supporting operations. I told myself 6 years ago where I'd be now. Not sure I'd believe them, to be honest, but it's a real sense of accomplishment.
We're the last line before these aircraft and personnel are going out into dangerous areas.
Us doing our job means that the aircraft can fulfil their duties and make an impact on operations.